Hello, welcome back to campustech. I have Samsung Flip 6 for screen replacement. So this part of the screen working, it has a display, because if you know, this Flip has a two different kind of a screen, the one the back and the front. So let's put the rubbing alcohol on the back plastic and the screen. So this is here we go. So just put this thing cup and you will put this thing to remove the adhesive tape from the corner. You'll see it's very fragile, be careful, and you'll find this connector. And then after removing this one, so just remove this metal piece, and here is a battery, so just disconnect this battery. After disconnecting this battery, let's remove the back glass, which is already broken, but I don't want to break anymore. See, because it's broken, so it's this suction cup is also not pulling it up properly, because it's not holding air. You see the plastic is removed, so those two things. So remove this thing, and here's a battery. You'll find two different battery in this Flip. So just connect this thing, and here is you'll find the wireless charger. So the wireless charger is also here is a connector of the wireless charger. So remove this connector right there, and you'll find there's some glue underneath. So just remove this. You'll find two two batteries. So this is a bigger battery. So let's remove those screws from the charging port stuff. So this is a wireless charging thing, and you'll find this is a charging port. And let's take out the SIM card, and here is a connector of the screen. So just remove those first, and then here's the other connector of the screen. This is the power button, and if you see this thing, this is the front camera and the other earpiece. So just remove those things, lift it up. Oh, it's gone. Here we go. So this is a front camera, you'll see, and you'll find the one more connector. So those are two connector from this screen and two connector from the other side of the screen. So just remove this metal this is screw, and it's time to remove the charging port. So after charging port, you'll find the taptic engine or the vibrator, whatever you say. So just it's very easy, it's the kind of same thing, but and Flip 6 you'll find two different way of the repair. So one side is the lower, and the other one, let's say side A and side B, I would say, or the top part of the lower part, I would say. So this is the motherboard. Here's a front camera. So let's put the rubbing alcohol on the batteries. So while I'll do that, so it will make my work easy. So just here we go. This is a front camera. You'll find this connector, but let me check if I have this thing on my new screen or not. So it's time to remove the screen, the battery. So this is the one big battery, and the other one you'll find that a smaller one on the top, on the top part, I mean. So those two battery you'll find in the Flip 6. This is a side plate. So this is the OLED screen for Flip 6 I order, and just to let you know, it's very expensive screen, by the way. So let's put this big battery back, and here is a small battery back. You'll see the bunch of connector is ready to connect it, but it's time to put the motherboard. Here we go. So just put this connector back. Those are screen connector. Be gentle while you're putting those connector, because it can damage the connector thing. So here's the front camera. You'll find those front camera, and here we go. So everything is connected. So put this earpiece back, and I have already connected those connector for the lower battery and all the stuff. So here's a metal piece. You need to connect those metal piece. After putting the screws, this is the connector of the top screen. The back screen. You'll find, remember I showed you initially, see it's turning on. So while it's turning on, so let's put this back. So I already installed very minimal adhesive tape, and its touch is working. Just make sure it's working before final. So make sure it's properly fold, and press the screen should turn on. Everything is working. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe my channel. If you want me to fix some cell phone, let me know in the comments. Thanks.